Configuring an IMAP email account with SSL in Outlook 2010. This tutorial assumes you've already launched Outlook 2010. To configure an IMAP email account with SSL, first click the File tab. Then click the Add Account button. Enter your name as you would like it to appear in your emails. Then enter the email address you want to configure here. Enter and confirm the email account's password. Click here to manually configure your mail server settings. Then click Next. Ensure the Internet Email option is selected, then click Next again. Next, we have to configure our server settings. Select IMAP as the account type. Then enter the incoming and outgoing mail server addresses. Enter your full email address as the username and the password. Then click the More Settings button. Click the Outgoing Server tab. Then click here to require outgoing server authentication. Click the Advanced tab. Then click this drop-down box. Select SSL for the type of encryption. Note that by doing so, the port number changed to 993, the default email port for IMAP SSL. Select SSL for the outgoing server as well. Be sure to enter 465 for the secure port number. Then click OK. Click Next. That's it! The email account has been added. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure an IMAP email account with SSL in Outlook 2010.